Hello everybody, Max8 Aviation here. Welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we have an airport update of my newly built BlueSky International Airport. This is a fictional airport located somewhere on the west coast. But yeah, so anyway, just thought I might say that. Without further ado, let's just get started with the airport update. We're going to start right here, lining up on the runway. We have a Southwest Airlines 737-700 in the New Mexico 1 livery. He's going to be heading out to Albuquerque after arrival in from Phoenix. And then right here, holding short, sorry, it's a weird situation at the end of the table, so I can't have a stationary shot, but right here we have a United 767-300ER today. He's going to be heading out to Sao Paulo, and he arrived in from Newark earlier. And then right here, we have an Alaskan Airlines A321neo in the Mortal Love livery. He will be heading out to San Francisco after arrival in from Los Angeles earlier. Then moving down, we have a Delta 737-900ER heading out to Seattle after arrival in from Salt Lake City earlier. And then right here we have the American Eagle Embraer ERJ-175. He will be heading out on the only American Eagle route out of my airport, which is Los Angeles. Southwest 737-700 Canyon Blue livery will be heading out to Denver after arrival in from Boise, Idaho. So, by the way, I forgot to mention Southwest is the main hub at my airport with over 38 destinations. Fix that. Alright, right here we have a FedEx 767-300 freighter just pulling off of the runway on Alpha 5, as you can see by there. This aircraft will be he just came in from Memphis and he'll be heading out to Indianapolis later on tonight. Now let's get on to our alleyway Bravo, as you can see right here. First, we have the American A321neo pulling into the B gates in from Los Angeles, and he'll be heading back out to Los Angeles in a little while. And then back here we have a Frontier A320neo Champ, the Bronco, pushing back for a flight out to Denver, and he came in from Madison, Wisconsin earlier. All right. Not Madison. He came in from he's going out to Denver, and he came in from Atlanta. Sorry about that. All right, now we're going to head on to our A concourse. Starting over here at the A concourse with the Southwest Airlines 737-700. He's going to be heading out to Sacramento after arrival in from Los Angeles. Southwest 737-700 Triple Crown One will be pushing back for Dallas Love Field after arrival in from Salt Lake City. Southwest 737-800 came in from Honolulu, and he'll be heading out to Oakland. Southwest 737-700 Tennessee 1, I highly recommend this aircraft. He will be heading out to Nashville after arrival in from St. Louis. Empty common use gate right there. It's used by both Allegiant and Southwest. Then we have an Allegiant Airbus A319 in the new livery heading out to Grand Junction after arrival in from Las Vegas. Alright, now we're going to head on over to the B concourse over at my airport. Sorry, it was a tight squeeze back there. Alright, right here we have a Frontier A320 Griswold the Bear. He came in from Madison, Wisconsin, and will be heading out to, he's going to head out to Raleigh, Durham. Empty Frontier gate. Now at our first Delta gate, we have a Delta Airbus A220. He's going to be heading out to Salt Lake City after arrival in from San Jose, California. Delta, by the way, is a secondary hub at my airport, along with Southwest, and Alaska is also another hub. Right here we have an American Airbus A319 heading out to Charlotte after arrival in from Phoenix. Empty gate where that A321 is pulling into. Now onto our other side of the B concourse, starting with the American 737-800 in the One World livery. He came in from Dallas-Fort Worth, and he'll be heading out to Philadelphia. Empty American gate where that American Eagle right here pushed out of. Then we have a Delta 737-800. He'll be heading out to Minneapolis, St. Paul after arrival in from Atlanta, Hartsfield Jackson. Empty Delta gate where the 737-900 pulled out of. Then we have the beautiful Delta Airbus A350-900. Sorry for the odd jetway positioning on this guy. It's kind of drooping. That's because I don't have an official jetway holder on any of these, but on the narrow bodies you can't tell because it goes to the narrow bodies evenly anyway, but with the wide bodies it kind of droops down. So I'm sorry about that. I'm not done with the airport yet. But this Delta A350 will be heading out to Detroit after arrival in from Detroit earlier. Now we're going to go over to our C concourse. Alright, starting us over here at our C concourse, I'm kind of running low on jetways here, so some planes may not have jetways for the rest of this update. Right here we have a Hawaiian A330-200. He'll be heading out to Honolulu on the first Honolulu flight of the day. We get 2. We also get a flight to Kahului, Maui on the 321neo. And he'll be heading back out to Honolulu. JetBlue Airbus A320 and the high-rise tail will be heading out to Boston after arrival in from Orlando today. Right here, we have a Alaska operated by Horizon -8 Q400. I'm missing the right stabilizer for this guy. It fell off and now I can't find it. So I'm going to find it soon, but anyway, just pretend he has all of his stabilizers on, and this guy will be heading out to Redmond, Oregon after arrival in from Reno, Nevada. Then we have an Alaska Airbus A320 heading out to Seattle after arrival in from Portland. Empty Alaska gate where that 321neo was. Another empty Alaska gate where some Alaska before this update was. Then right here we have a United Express CRJ 550. He will be heading out to San Francisco after arrival in from Los Angeles. Now, I know the CRJ 550, I think it flies to only Chicago and Newark right now. I'm not 100% sure. I'm not like a United guy, so I don't know all the United stuff, but I think their base is in Chicago O'Hare, and they're flying it mainly just to Newark right now. Once again, like I said, but since I'm a West Coast airport, we're just going to pretend that this guy's going out to San Francisco and Los Angeles. So just for this update, he's doing like a fictional route out to he came in from San Francisco on a fictional route, and he'll be heading out to Los Angeles on a fictional route. Yeah. Right here we have United 737-800 in the old livery. He'll be heading out to Chicago O'Hare after arrival in from Houston Intercontinental. Then we have our last United gate's empty where the 767 was, but this is our second to last United gate where we have a United 737-800 in the new livery. He will be heading out to Newark after, no, not Newark, sorry. He will be heading out to Denver after arrival in from, he'll be heading out to Denver after arrival in from Orlando today. So that is our United section and the rest of our domestic concourses. Now we're going to move on to our international concourse. Starting over here at the international terminal, we have an Air China 7879 Dreamliner. Oh, by the way, I forgot to tell you, this airport update's based around like the morning time frame, so that's why all like the Asian, Australian, Middle Eastern heavies are here. But yeah. So anyway, this Air China is going to head out to Shanghai after arrival in from Beijing earlier. He just pushed back out of that gate. And now taking his gate, we have an Emirates 777X-9, but we're just going to pretend it's an Emirates 777-300ER because obviously the 777Xs are not flying yet anyway. But this Emirates will be heading, this guy just came in from, this Emirates 777-300ER just came in from Dubai. Sorry for the stutter there. Right here, we have an Air New Zealand 7879 Dreamliner in the All Blacks livery. He's going to be heading out to Auckland after arrival in from Auckland last night. He overnighted. Same with the Air China and the Emirates. They all overnighted and got towed over here. Then right there, we have a Vietnam Airlines 7879 Dreamliner. He'll be heading out to Hanoi, Vietnam after arrival in from Ho Chi Minh City last night. And now I think this is like, it's a fictional airport, so I have Vietnam in here, but I don't think Vietnam flies to any destinations in the U.S. yet. So we're just going to pretend this is the first. Not inaugural flight here, but like the first Vietnam Airlines flight to fly to the U.S., like the first service to the U.S. but it's been going for a while. Anyway, right here we have our little express gate here, if you can kind of see. We have the Air Canada Express ERJ-175. He's going to be heading out to Vancouver, British Columbia, and he came in from there earlier. We also get mainline Air Canada here, but I just want to throw in some expresses today. Next, we have the Air Canada Express CRJ-200. He's going to be heading out to Vancouver, British Columbia as well in a little while. So we get Air Canada Express CRJ-200s. We get a CRJ-200 and an E-175 in the morning, and we get mainline Air Canada on the 787-8 Dreamliner later in the day. And those two go to Toronto and Montreal. WestJet also flies out of here and goes to Calgary, Winnipeg, Toronto, Hamilton, Quebec, Ottawa, all those places. And we're gonna, and that's an empty gate at the end there. But that concludes this airport update of BlueSky International Airport. So I do hope you enjoyed this airport update. If you did, please make sure to subscribe, comment, and like on the video, and also subscribe to Aviation in Vegas. He makes some great videos, and I'm glad that he let me post on his channel today. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.